Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Vinted showing sorry something went wrong error every time you try to send a message or to a seller or a buyer? Here's the fix. First, force close the Vinted app completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. After that, a stale app session is one of the most common cause of Vinted something went wrong message error, and a fresh relaunch clears it most cases. After reopening, try sending the message again. If it still fails for a specific conversation, the other user's account may have a restriction or there may be a temporary sync issue with that thread specifically. Try starting a fresh message on the same listing rather than replying in the existing thread. Also, go to Settings, scroll to the list of apps and find Vinted, and confirm that cellular data is on, since messaging requires a live connection. If messages are failing in all conversation across the app, update the Vinted app from the App Store and reinstall if the latest version does not help. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen. Try a fresh message on the listing, check connection settings, update Vinted, messages will be sent, and that's it. Subscribe.